You've traveled thousands of miles, but still haven't found the right travel bag? Hi, my loves. Hola, mis amores. Today, we're reviewing the Chanel Quilted Business Bag. And I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? This is the pouch that she comes in. Now let's open her up.
If you enjoy beautiful luxury reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look how beautiful she is. So she comes in the caviar leather. We have the protective feet, 2 on each side. And on the inside, we have the beautiful burgundy fabric leather, which makes it easy to clean. Another pro is how spacious she is. See this quilted zipper on the front? Let me show you what is inside. So every time that I'm traveling, I always have a little Ziploc where I carry my necessities, such as toothbrushes, Clorox wipes, facial tissue, and I just always carry this with me. I'll put that in the front. Now for the inside, we have the CC interlock, and we open it like that. And then look at how spacious she is. So what I have currently in there is I have a hair clip. I have my Louis Vuitton pouch that I carry all of my makeup in. This is for all of my makeup brushes. This is the way it opens on the inside with my little makeup brushes. Here is a journal. And we have a 12-inch tablet that fits. And as you can see, it's pretty spacious. I also use this to put my keys. This beautiful extender here that is clips on for your keys is really nice. She has these pockets here in the front. This one that opens up. And then there is this one. I regularly don't use this, but you could use this to put sunglasses in. A notepad in here with a pen, or you could put some pens in here. And then this is the zipper. I really like the zipper because in the zipper, I carry my wallet, just so that it stays safe when I'm traveling. And look how spacious she is. Even with all of those things, I could even carry even more things if I wanted to. And what I also love too is that it has these little buttons. So this is the way that it comes, and you could keep it small like that if you just want to keep only certain things on the inside. But what I love is that if I want to add even more things, especially when I am traveling, what I really love is that I can use these extenders. See these extenders right here? I can open them. And then here is the other side. And immediately this shopping bag becomes larger. I also love all the many ways you can wear it. This is the strap that it comes with, and this is the handle. So you can wear it on your hand, you can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody. I love that for every occasion, you can customize it. Now it also comes in other colors. They have red, blue, white, pink, navy. Some of those other colors are a little bit harder to find, but I find that the black is very elegant and it's very beautiful. I feel that it goes with everything, and it's a perfect addition to be traveling or on the go. Cons. Although I love this extender to be able to make the bag bigger, I would have loved if there would have been a zipper. When you're traveling and you have to put your bag underneath or at the top, you need to be able to secure it. And I find that this just doesn't hold it. If you have multiple things, it makes it harder to keep everything more secure. So a zipper would have been better because you would have been able to keep everything inside. Price. This bag is currently going from $3,950 to $4,500. Now, because she is from the Karl Lagerfeld Past collection, the question is, should you invest in an older model, or should you get a bag that is from the newer seasons? So do I recommend her or do I not? And my answer is yes. She is a beautiful bag made out of the resistant caviar leather. Plus, she is spacious and holds all of your necessities. Whether you're taking her for travel, a business meeting, or shopping, she is the one. I love you guys so much for watching. Mwah!